In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate API keys on Coinbase. If you're connecting a portfolio tracker or building a tool that needs read-only access to your balances and transactions, this walkthrough will help you set things up safely from start to finish. First, sign into your Coinbase account by heading to coinbase.com and logging in. Before you go any further, make sure two-factor authentication is turned on. This is essential. It adds a second check whenever you sign in or make sensitive changes, which helps protect both your account and any API keys you create. If possible, use an authenticator app instead of SMS for stronger security. Once you're in, open your API settings. Click your profile icon, go to Settings, and then open the API tab. This is the dedicated area where you manage existing keys and create new ones. Quick note before we continue. I've placed a direct link to coinbase.com at the very top of the description, along with official mobile app download links. Use those to avoid phishing and make sure you're on the legitimate site or app. Now, create a new key. Click New API Key, then give it a clear, descriptive name like Portfolio Tracker. Pick the specific account or accounts the key should access, so you're only exposing what's necessary. Using a unique name for each key makes it easier to track usage or revoke a single key later without disrupting others. Next, set permissions safely. If you're connecting to a portfolio tracking app, choose Read Only or View Permissions. This allows apps to see balances and history without the ability to trade or withdraw. Avoid enabling trading or withdrawal permissions unless a tool explicitly requires it and you fully trust it. Read-only keys are far safer because they can't move funds. Add security restrictions wherever possible. If IP whitelisting is supported, enable it and enter only the trusted IP addresses that should be allowed to use the key. Keep 2FA required so that sensitive actions still need verification. The more you restrict access, the lower the risk if a key is ever exposed. Finally, generate and save your key. Click Create API Key, then copy the API key and the API secret and store them in a secure place, like a reputable password manager. Treat the secret like a password. Don't paste it into chats or emails and don't save it in plain text. If you suspect it's been exposed, delete the key and create a new one immediately. That's it. You've safely generated a Coinbase API key. If this helped, consider sharing it, and thanks for watching.